3, 2, 1. Okay, Honda. Woo. Well, they painted her and then they left the painter's tape on. Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We're back with another video at IAAI, one of my favorite places to be here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Look at all the cars and trucks and SUVs and ATVs and motorcycles you can take a look at. We're going to check out 2, maybe 3, maybe even 4 in the video, and the hunt continues for Mike's next tow vehicle. Yeah, am I going to find something out here? I hope so. No, Mike, don't even think about it. You had one of these. Yeah, you did. And it was a pain in your caboodles. Yeah, this is from 1986. Mine was in 1985. And to me, it looks like they used painter's tape as a pin stripe. That looks like painter's tape with another pinstripe over the top of it. Okay, you do get a toolbox. Whoa, that popped up. A carpet-lined toolbox. You get a spare tire and some Amazon boxes. That's all right. Tires, though. Tires look relatively new. That's nice. Okay, so you do have your 2 fuel tanks right here. I don't know, is this going to be another 5.8 or 5.0, or what was the other one? 4.6, something like that. Does this have the big engine? F-150. This is just like mine, except it's got kind of a back seat back here for the kids. You can banish the kids back there. Here's your damage. I'd never see it. I'd never walk around on this side. I'd just leave it alone and just use it to pull stuff inside. Oh, that's unexpected. Okay, mom and dad get some nice little seats. Is this? No. There's the kids, where the kids live. Check this out, though. Oh, I love when we did this back in the day. Double-sided tape. There you go. No one will ever notice. Blue. Have I ever had a car with a blue interior? No. But I might be getting one. And yes, it's an old Mercedes. But I don't want to spill the beans just yet. I don't even know if this thing's going to start. Let's kind of go under here and see what we're working with. Come on, Mike. Where's the deal? You had a truck like this. Here it is. Ugh. Open sesame. Okay, well, this is different than mine. Huh. Air conditioner stuff right here. What is this? Let's look for this. I need my glasses, actually. No, I don't. I don't need them. 5.0. This is the 5.0, so it's the smaller V8 with a battery from 7 of 21. Okay. This just, wow. It's a dirty engine, but the belt looks okay. It looks like some of the hoses have been, oh wait, this is almost crunchy. That's the wire inside of it too. Yeah, okay. Some of the hoses are okay. All right, we're going in. I got to check out these seats again. Oh, the door just, see how the door, that's how much the door is off. Oh, okay, you know something? I just realized something. This is 86. Mine was 95, so this is way older than mine. All right, let's see if she's got any life left in her. Yeah, we do have a sound. Here we go, and 3, 2, 1. Oh, shoot. Well, that was bad. Oh, my God. Okay, so, oh, that was terrifying. So we have some problems with this old girl. There's a lot of knocking and a lot of weird sounds and all kinds of stuff going on right here. So, yeah, this is a hot mess. This is not good. Not good at all. Okay, so, whoa, that was terrifying. We got to move on. I'm sorry, engine's bad, engine's bad. Avoid. Oh, danger, Will Rogers, danger. Buck Rogers, danger. Yep, another vet. This is a Z06, 405 horsepower. Thank you very much, from 2003, and for some reason, Why does she look like she's going uphill? What's going on here? This is pretty. Yeah, that's a mess. Have you seen the video going around on TikTok? This too high, this too high. Yep. What do you think about these? Those are something. Why? What's up with the suspension here on this old girl? I don't know. Damage? I don't see any. It's just, oh, why is this? Well, they painted her and then they left the painter's tape on. Yeah, so this, at least this has been painted. Yeah, that's, yeah, something's going on here. They painted her and then they sent her off to the auction. I don't know. Let's just kind of see. Oh, inside looks to be a little apart too. Okay, let's go up and see what's going on here. Well, I can't sit in there because we have, what is all of this stuff? Okay, she's a standard, which is good. I don't know what that stuff is. Is it from the roof? That's, yeah, that'll poke a hole in your, you know what. Here's your boot. There's where it goes. What is going on with her? Let's see here. Well, oh, well, okay, here's what's going on with her. We seem to be missing one important piece. Holy moly. Okay. So, you need an engine. That's something right there. Yeah. What? That's why she's leaning up so much. Yeah. This too high, this too high. You want it as low as your grandma's, you know what? Yeah, you've seen that on TikTok. Wow. Okay. That explains so much. So who's going to buy a Corvette without the Z06 405 horsepower engine? I kind of like the wheels though. They've been painted too. Look, they left the paint on this too. The wrap. What has not been painted on this car? They painted it in the same color. I think, yeah. If you lift up the rubber, you can kind of look underneath. Yeah, she's silver. She's been silver her whole life. But, ugh, wow. So, what do you do with this car? I have no idea. Oh, this is for your Bluetooth speaker right there. Man, I wanted to hear this thing. I really did. You get all kinds of keys. What is that thing to? Curtis? What is this? All right, and you get a little, look at that one. You get all kinds of crazy keys here. All right, well, we'll put this back. And we can't do anything more, unfortunately, because she got no engine. These are comfortable. What's in the back? Parts that you need. There's no engine back there. There's your radiator fans, your condenser. Looks like a light. Throttle body. What else is in here? Fuel rail. You should have kept this when you guys took the engine. And your fuel injectors. Okay. Oh, a little girl. A little girl used to ride in this with her dad. I guarantee you. I guarantee you. Some really proud dad saved up money, bought a Z06, and used to take his little daughter and her pretty princess horses and unicorns and little glittery shoes that light up when you step on them and go for a ride. Wow. Okay, if only cars could talk. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about this car. And this is a first. As I recollect, I don't think, have I ever highlighted a Honda? I don't know. I don't remember. For some reason, I just walk right by these vehicles. This is a nice one. This is a Honda Accord from 2018 in silver over what looks to be black. I like how they've updated these. That's a mean looking grill there. Yep. The car looks good, and it's a super easy fix. You don't even have to do anything if you really don't want to. Just get a bumper and paint it. There is some body damage. It's right here. This is all hidden by the bumper. Except, well, you may have to try to pull this out a little bit so the bumper will attach to that clip right there. Okay, you don't really have to do too much because you're never going to see it, and it doesn't affect anything. It's all under the bumper. Okay, so you can hammer that thing out and no one will ever know the difference. Just get a nice bumper and you're good to go. Yeah. All right, you want to see what it looks like on the inside? I haven't been inside a Honda Accord in a long time. I had one way, way, way back. Here, you want some chapstick? Ooh. The stand. She stands. Okay. It's a nice interior. It's got a definite odor. I don't know what that odor is, though. But it does present itself very, very nicely. Look at this. Okay, we had a tall driver last time, and once again, here we go with the styling. Let's just glue an iPad right on the dash, and it'll be fine. Yeah, we'll style this beautifully, and then we're just going to stick something right there that really doesn't even belong. Okay, whoever had the car liked French fries, I'll just say that. And they were tall because I can kind of see over the, that's kind of my eyesight right there. Oil was changed March of this year. Oh, the next service recommended is 66,742. So it's got pretty low mileage. She's just dead as a doorknob. And I don't know. These Hondas, it's just like, am I bougie? I don't know. It's just like, okay. Yeah. It's a Honda. I don't really even want to hear it start. I know it's going to start. It's going to drive too. It's going to go zzz, and it's going to be fine. Maybe that's what's wrong with my life. Hondas are boring. But maybe I need more boring in my life. I don't know. What do you think? Should I continue with the Honda, or should I just focus on other things that are more appealing to me? Let me know in the comments. Tell me what kind of cars you want to see and what kind of cars you don't want to see because you really don't care about them. And I'll do what I can to provide what you want. But this is just like, okay, Honda. Woo! I look good in a Vette, don't I? No, I don't. I look like an old guy trying to relive his youth. I never had a Vette in my youth, so I wouldn't know what to do. But doggone it, this would have been a great car. Man. We'll write down the number just to see. Here it's got, it has a next service due 4/18 of 2016, 86,585 miles in Fort Worth, Texas. So that has been on there for 7 years. Okay. Someone just stripped her for the engine. The rest of the car was okay. Someone painted it and then they found something else. And they just took the engine out. That's what makes these fun, isn't it? Yeah. You get to kind of ponder and see what the history of the cars might be and what kind of details and how they lived and who took care of them or didn't take care of them in many instances. But this is nice. It used to be really, really nice. All right, that's going to do it for this video, folks. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. We're back with another video very, very soon. Hopefully by the time you have seen this one, we hit the 40,000 mark. Easter was my goal. We came close, but we didn't. So I think we're going to hit it in May, and then it's just to infinity and beyond as far as subscribers, okay? Have a great day. Hug those kids if you got them, and if you happen to have a Z06, take your little daughter out for a ride. Yeah, show her what hot rod life is about. We'll see you again. Bye.